What's the latest buzz surrounding Tesla? As the day drew to a close, Tesla managed to eke out a modest 4% gain, pushing its share price to a noteworthy $255. But what makes this moment particularly intriguing is the air of uncertainty that envelops it. Picture this: Tesla's stock finds itself in a curious state of limbo, perched delicately between crucial levels and technical indicators. In the next 900 words, we'll delve into this enigmatic scenario, exploring the intricacies of Tesla's recent performance and the factors poised to steer its future direction. Looking at the daily chart, Tesla sits right in the middle, sandwiched between the 21-day exponential moving average, acting as resistance at approximately $256 and the 100-day moving average at around $250. Beneath that lies the 50-day moving average, close to the $250 mark. Tesla briefly dipped below all of these indicators in the morning, only to rebound later. Notably, the blue trend line has proven to be a significant level of support in recent days, precisely as discussed in previous videos. Adding to the complexity of this situation is the volume profile, which currently poses a resistance challenge. The narrator points out the substantial volume accumulation in this area, historically acting as both support and resistance. Tesla's closing price is right in the middle of this range, adding an element of uncertainty to the stock's direction. To simplify this somewhat complex scenario, the narrator suggests focusing on critical levels for potential bullish or bearish signals. If the stock were to break below the blue trend line, roughly at 246 or 247, that would be the first warning sign. Ideally, Tesla should hold above this level. The second and more significant bearish signal would be a fall below $240, signaling a break from the ascending channel, a situation that would undoubtedly concern Tesla bulls. On the flip side, a bullish scenario would involve Tesla breaking above the 21-day EMA at $250. This would be an encouraging sign for Tesla's proponents. However, the narrator's confidence in a bullish scenario would soar if Tesla can push past the blue trend line, preferably around $265 to $270. The narrator emphasizes that significant moves usually follow the breach of these critical levels, and while nothing is guaranteed in the markets, they can provide clear signals for traders and investors. Turning attention to the impending earnings report, the narrator cautions that earnings can disrupt technical analysis. Factors such as Tesla's margins, financial health in the face of price cuts, and the absence of CFO Zach Kirkhorn on the earnings call due to a transition all contribute to the uncertainty surrounding this particular earnings announcement. The narrator also notes that Elon Musk's unfiltered communication style might affect market sentiment, as Wall Street tends to prefer more cautious language. Regarding the potential market response to earnings, the narrator outlines two scenarios. First, if Tesla experiences a sell-off leading up to earnings, they personally anticipate a bullish response and might consider buying the dip. Second, if the sell-off occurs after earnings, they will be closely watching the $240 level as a crucial support. They plan to enter the market cautiously with an eye on potential buying opportunities. In terms of technical analysis, the narrator brings up the squeeze meter, a tool used to gauge potential volatility and price direction. They point out a subtle uptick in the blue line within the fifth red circle on the daily squeeze meter, suggesting a cautious, bullish sentiment. However, they emphasize the need for further confirmation in the days ahead. Looking at the weekly chart, the narrator acknowledges a third red circle, but notes that the direction remains uncertain at this point. While they express some anxiety over the lack of clear signals, they anticipate the coming days will provide more clarity. Lastly, options activity reveals a notable bearish position, a put option with $1.2 million in premium for 266.0 puts expiring on January 19, 2024. This bearish position raises some concern, though its exact implications remain uncertain. As we wrap up today's Tesla update, we want to express our gratitude for your viewership. Tomorrow's earnings report holds the key to Tesla's path ahead, and we're prepared to navigate the market with you, whether it brings dips or bullish rallies. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest insights. Thank you for being a part of our community. Thank you for being a